It is March 1st. It is the first month of the first... No, it's the first day of the first month of the first possible month of storm season. Storm season starting, I mean, technically April 1st, but really when spring starts, and that's March 21st. We are heading back up to Georgetown because that's the best place to find lightning with the drone. This sale's gonna be quick. It'll be an hour and a half, so I hope I can get a lot because I've been getting real lucky with my days off from work with these thunderstorms, so I'm trying to make the most of it. So I'm hoping we can get something. As I always say, one bolt is enough to make a good day, but in reality, we want as many as possible. So we're heading out there right now. Lightning's about 100 miles away right now. It's moving east-northeast. Should be getting here around an hour and a half from now, but I want to get there as soon as possible because if you can see that from a distance with the drone, you can really take advantage of the range of the drone in terms of visuals. I'm nervous. We'll see what we can get. Why don't I get the green light? Whee! Hopefully we can get to this storm, get to location with the drone before the storm gets close, just because the rain band's much larger than other storms. It's less frontal, so the rain's going to hit us earlier than other storms would, which is going to give us a less amount of time with the drone. We are up on the northern side of town. Right now the lightning's saying it's about 85 miles away and should be arriving in the next hour. And I'm hoping we can do good today. I'll talk to you guys when the storm comes. Starting to sprinkle. Should be going towards the interstate, not these windy roads. Actually, yeah. Seeing flashes from behind. The rain's starting to let up. Might be able to sneak in another drone shoot. Yep, I think there's a spot I know up here that we can take advantage of. flashes in my rearview mirror to the right. I'm about to turn back south, heading towards Newtown Pike, which is north of Lexington. Actually, no, I'm gonna go. If we can hurry up, we might actually beat the rain again and send the drone back up again. On to I-75, and hopefully we can make some ground up. I think my plan right now, there's a good cluster heading for Richmond, south of Lexington, and there's also a good cell heading towards Nicholasville. However, that's pretty far from my location. There's also a decent cell heading for downtown Lexington. I think I'm gonna go for that. Downtown Lexington, and then maybe head over to Richmond afterwards.
Oh my God.